Hi everyone, my name is Bhavya and I'm going to do my first assignment for network security. Our teacher has given us an assignment which is that you have to select a network security software and you have to explain 5 uses or 5 things it can perform. I'm using the Wireshark Network Analyzer. So first of all, I would like to tell you about something about Wireshark. Wireshark is a free and open source packet analyzer. It is used for network troubleshooting, analysis, software and communication protocol development. Wireshark is it tries to capture the network packed the cap it tries to capture the network or a packed network, and it tries to display the packet data in as detailed form as possible. So when you first open Wireshark, it gives this window to you, and I have done some searching already, which is this. So this is my Wireshark window. It's like it has a lot of things going on here. So these are the numbers. So all the packets which have been searched on my Wi-Fi connection is numbered. As the packets gets increased, the number gets increased by one. As you can see in I have 108,000, 7,000, a lot of packets here, and this is time. So as the as you can see, there are a lot of sections here. This is the numbers, times, the source, destination, protocol, length, and information. First of all, I would like to tell you about time in Wireshark. So I guess this is milliseconds, and it took this much time to check this source, which information got from this source to this destination using the TCP protocol. It had this much length, and this is the information. So you can have some time. You can always you can always search for the packets using the time. So you can do a time filter here and select your time from whatever you would like to have, and Wireshark will make it so easy to search for your packets or anything using this filter, using this thing. So this is me right there, 192.168.1.103. This is my IP address, and I would like to show you some filters what Wireshark has. So suppose I have typed TCP here. These are all the protocols which TCP has used. Before that, I would like to tell you about something going on here. As I click on any other packet, the information here changes according to the packet which went from one place to the other. So this is the frame, the Ethernet, the Internet Protocol. The frame 4 was used. What was the version, header length, and as I click here, the things here are also changed. These are called the header, I guess, and these are the hexes of the packets. As I click on the other one, this is me sending the information, and this is something sending the information to me. As I click on the packets, the information gets changed all the time. So like this is TCP. I can search for UDP as well. These are the UDPs. I can search for HTTP as well. These are all HTTPs. Let's get into some more some more details that what HTTP or TCP or UDP is like. So if you see this one or this one, maybe this one, you right click, let's follow this and check HTTP stream, what happened exactly. So this is the request the user made, and this is the answer we get from. You can also decode it sometimes, and this basically shows us when one packet travel to the other packet, what actually happens. So using different protocols, and let's search about some TCPs as well. Like this is the TCP, follow TCP stream, and this is what happened. So here on the command prompt, I pinged Yahoo. Actually, let's do that again. Let's go to command prompt and see what happened. I don't know why it's slow. Let's ping Yahoo. And check if something came. So generally when you ping Yahoo or Google, it shows you the requests. It literally tells you that okay, this has been happened. Let's stop it and apply something else, maybe UDP, and maybe choose there. Yes, there you go. When you pinged Yahoo, this came. There you go. And then this was another thing which it can do. It can literally tells you whatever is happening around your network, and then like whatever devices are connected to this network, it will tell you. So as this is the communication. It shows when I have already told you this, that this is the inquiry you put and this is the answer you got. This you got from the virtual box where my Ubuntu is running, and it grabbed the information and it displayed the information about Ubuntu here. The next one is that the traffic, how can you sniff the traffic, or how can you capture how much traffic is there. So if you go to the traffic, this is the traffic on my Wirechucker on my network at the moment. The y-axis is the packets per second, and the x-axis is the time. And this at this second, what I'm supposing is would be 26. The traffic was maximum, and right now we are here and traffic is minimum. Wireshark also, there are a lot of things you can do with it. If suppose if I have two machines here, and if I do a phone call between these two machines, then also it has this option of VoIP calls, which it can show if there are any calls here, or what is if any voice over IP calls were made. There are so many filters you can use, and if I do this, which the filter is not existing, it will be red, and if I write a proper filter, it will be green. Wireshark also helps us knowing that I have, suppose this is me and I have connected my device. I have two devices connected to my Wi-Fi, and if there is any other device which is trying to connect to my network, or which is trying to send some information, it will also tell me that. And a lot of options are there. You can create your own filters. You can change your filters from with different colors, like there is this option where you can set your packets via colors. And the last thing it also does is it can browse, or it can capture more than one things as well. Like it can capture your virtual box, any other connections related to it. So this is all the Wireshark does, and with that I end my video. Thank you so much.